Welcome to Lingo&Life channel, your destination to improve English through beautiful storytelling and real-life experiences. In this video, let's enjoy a calm and emotional story titled First Autumn in Seoul, a touching reflection on witnessing red leaves for the first time, feeling the crisp air, and finding quiet moments in the heart of a busy city. This story will help you practice English listening with a soothing, natural voiceover. Improve your reading comprehension and vocabulary in real context. Immerse yourself in a vivid, seasonal journey through Seoul in autumn. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more inspiring English learning stories every week. The story First Autumn in Seoul. As the summer heat began to wane, I found myself eagerly anticipating my first autumn in Seoul. The city, known for its vibrant culture and rich history, transforms dramatically during this season. The air becomes crisp, and the leaves start to change, painting the landscape in hues of red, orange, and gold. This transition not only marks a change in weather but also a shift in the atmosphere of the city. I was excited to experience the unique blend of nature and urban life that autumn in Seoul promised. One of the most striking aspects of autumn in Seoul is the breathtaking fall foliage. Parks and streets are adorned with trees that seem to be on fire with color. I took long walks through Namsan Park and along the Han River, where the scenery was nothing short of spectacular. The vibrant colors created a picturesque backdrop that made every moment feel like a scene from a movie. I often found myself stopping to take photos, wanting to capture the beauty that surrounded me. Autumn in Seoul is also a time for celebration, with various cultural festivals taking place throughout the city. I attended the Seoul Lantern Festival, where thousands of lanterns illuminated the Gyeonggi stream, creating a magical atmosphere. The festival showcased traditional Korean culture, with performances and food stalls that offered a taste of local delicacies. It was a wonderful opportunity to immerse myself in the culture and connect with both locals and fellow travelers. As the weather cooled, I discovered the culinary delights that autumn brings to Seoul. Street vendors began to offer seasonal treats, such as roasted chestnuts and sweet potatoes, which quickly became my favorites. I also indulged in warm bowls of tikak, a traditional rice cake soup that is especially popular during the colder months. Each bite was comforting, and the flavors were a perfect reflection of the season. Exploring the food scene became an adventure in itself. The changing colors of autumn also transformed the cityscape of Seoul. Iconic landmarks like Gyeongbokgung Palace and Bukhan Hanok Village took on a new charm against the backdrop of fall foliage. I spent hours wandering through these historic sites, marveling at how the seasons altered their beauty. The contrast between the ancient architecture and the vibrant leaves created a stunning visual experience that I will always cherish. Experiencing my first autumn in Seoul prompted me to reflect on the themes of nature and change. Just as the leaves fall and the trees prepare for winter, I too felt a sense of transition in my own life. The beauty of the season served as a reminder of the impermanence of moments and the importance of embracing change. I found solace in the natural world around me, which seemed to echo my own journey of growth and adaptation. With the pleasant weather, I took advantage of the outdoor activities that autumn in Seoul offered. Hiking became a favorite pastime, with trails like Bukhansan National Park providing stunning views of the city and its surroundings. The invigorating air and the colorful scenery made each hike a refreshing escape from the urban hustle. I enjoyed the camaraderie of fellow hikers, sharing stories and laughter as we explored the beautiful landscapes. Autumn also brought a shift in fashion, as the streets of Seoul became a runway for seasonal styles. I noticed how locals embraced layers, with cozy sweaters and stylish jackets becoming the norm. The fashion scene reflected the vibrant colors of the season, with many opting for earthy tones and rich fabrics. I found myself inspired to update my wardrobe, wanting to blend in with the stylish Soulites while enjoying the cooler temperatures. As the sun set earlier in the autumn months, I discovered the serenity of evenings in Seoul. The city took on a different vibe, with twinkling lights illuminating the streets and creating a cozy atmosphere. I often found myself sitting in cafes, sipping warm drinks while watching the world go by. These quiet moments allowed me to reflect on my experiences and appreciate the beauty of the season. During my first autumn in Seoul, I also felt a strong sense of community. Neighbors gathered for seasonal events, and there was a palpable spirit of togetherness. I participated in local harvest festivals, where families came together to celebrate the bounty of the season. These gatherings fostered connections and created lasting memories, reminding me of the importance of community in our lives. In today's digital age, technology played a significant role in enhancing my autumn experiences in Seoul. I used various apps to discover hidden gems, from quaint cafes to scenic viewpoints. Social media allowed me to share my journey with friends and family, capturing the essence of my adventures. However, I also made a conscious effort to disconnect and fully immerse myself in the present moment, appreciating the beauty around me. The arrival of autumn had a profound impact on my mental well-being. The change in scenery and the abundance of outdoor activities contributed to a sense of happiness and fulfillment. I found that spending time in nature, surrounded by the vibrant colors of fall, helped alleviate stress and anxiety. This season became a time for reflection and gratitude, allowing me to reconnect with myself and my surroundings. Autumn is rich with traditions, and I was eager to learn about the customs celebrated in Seoul. One of the most significant was Chuseok, the Korean Harvest Festival, which honors ancestors and family. I participated in traditional rituals, such as preparing special foods and visiting ancestral graves. This experience deepened my understanding of Korean culture and the values of respect and gratitude that are central to it. The beauty of autumn in Seoul also inspired creativity and artistic expression. I visited galleries showcasing works that captured the essence of the season, from paintings to photography. The vibrant colors and changing landscapes motivated me to explore my own artistic side, whether through writing or photography. I found joy in capturing the fleeting moments of beauty that autumn offered. One of the most fascinating aspects of my first autumn in Seoul was witnessing the connection between nature and urban life. Despite being a bustling metropolis, the city embraced its natural surroundings. Parks and green spaces were integrated into the urban landscape, providing residents with a respite from the fast-paced city life. This balance between nature and urbanization was a reminder of the importance of preserving green spaces in our cities. As autumn progressed, I learned valuable lessons about change and resilience. Just as trees shed their leaves to prepare for winter, I realized the importance of letting go of what no longer served me. This season became a metaphor for personal growth, encouraging me to embrace new beginnings and opportunities. I found strength in the beauty of transformation, both in nature and in my own life. As autumn began to fade, I felt a sense of anticipation for the winter months ahead. The first snowfall in Seoul is a magical experience, and I looked forward to witnessing the city transform once again. However, I also cherished the memories of autumn, knowing that each season brings its own unique beauty and experiences. This anticipation allowed me to appreciate the present while looking forward to what was to come. As the last days of autumn approached, I took time to reflect on my experiences. I revisited my favorite spots, savoring the beauty of the season one last time. The air was filled with a bittersweet feeling, knowing that the vibrant colors would soon give way to the starkness of winter. I felt grateful for the memories I had created and the lessons I had learned during this transformative season. In conclusion, my first autumn in Seoul was a season of growth and discovery. The beauty of the changing leaves, the warmth of community, and the richness of culture all contributed to a profound experience. I learned to embrace change and find joy in the present moment. As I prepared to welcome winter, I carried with me the lessons and memories of autumn, knowing that each season has its own gifts to offer. Looking ahead, I am excited to experience the future seasons in Seoul. Each one promises its own unique charm and opportunities for exploration. I hope to continue discovering the beauty of this city, embracing the changes that come with each passing season. My first autumn has set the stage for a deeper connection with Seoul, and I look forward to the adventures that await. Thank you for joining me in this journey through First Autumn in Seoul. Have you ever experienced a season that changed your perspective? Here's how to get the most from this story. Watch it again and repeat out loud to improve fluency. Note new vocabulary and expressions for review. Reflect and try writing your own story about a memorable season. What does autumn look like in your country? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share this video with others who want to learn English through real, emotional storytelling. Let's keep learning, exploring, and connecting, one story at a time. See you in the next video.